Today we're going to be drawing a
pizza.
Pizza. I love pizza.
Me too, but only with the cheese.
Only with the cheese? You don't like any toppings?
Yeah.
Well, today we're going to be drawing a pizza, and all we need are paper and some crayons. And I like these crayons because these have some really cute names on it. Do you know what this one is? This one says
Orange juice.
Orange juice. This one says
Lemon yellow.
lemon yellow. What about this?
Strawberry red.
Strawberry red. And finally, do you know what this one says?
Black sky.
No, it says black night.
I'm black knight.
Yeah.
I can't read. I don't know how to read.
It's okay. You did a good job. All right, so let's start drawing.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna start with the orange, and we're going to draw a upside down triangle, and then I'm gonna just close it up here. Here, you can do it. So you're gonna draw an upside down triangle. Whoa, that's a big one. Good. Good job. Now we're going to draw another line, and this is going to be the crust. And I'm just going to color this one in. Crust is usually a brown color, but we're going to use orange so it's nice and bright.
Yeah. So we can see it better.
Yeah. There you go. Just going to color in the white gaps a little bit.
I don't need to color in the white gaps.
Yeah. You can color however you want to. So we're going to draw the line for the crust. That's right. And we're going to color it in. And you can do the best you can. Good job. You're staying in the lines. That's pretty good.
These do stay in the line.
Yeah, but you're also doing a good job coloring it. You've been practicing a lot, right?
Yeah, these are hard to color.
Yeah.
Yeah, because they're too big.
They're huge. These are jumbo crayons.
Yeah, jumbo crayon.
Jumbo. Yeah. Okay, that's good.
Now you said jungle.
Yeah. All right, next,
Wait,
what do you think?
Wait, guys, do you see nail polish? You should wear nail polish on when you're doing something new.
Yeah?
That'll make you look pretty.
You look pretty even without nail polish.
I want to use nail polish.
Yeah, but thank you for sharing that. I like your nail polish. It's yellow.
Yeah.
And guess what? That's the next color we're going to use. And we're going to use lemon yellow for what?
For our cheese.
For the cheese, yes. So I'm going to go ahead and color in this pizza.
That's a big one.
Yeah. And we're going to color it yellow for the yellow cheese.
That's my favorite topping.
Yeah. Do you like any other toppings?
No, just cheese.
Just cheese. Here you go. Now it's your turn. My favorite toppings are broccoli and peppers and mushrooms.
I like broccoli too.
You do? Are you sure?
A little bit I like it. Not all the time.
I don't ever see you eating broccoli.
Only a little bit you see me.
Do you like mushrooms?
No.
No?
That's why you don't see me eat them.
Oh. What about pepperoni?
No.
No?
I don't like it.
You don't like it? Well, we are going to draw some pepperoni on this pizza.
Yeah. But I do like pizza.
Yeah. What shapes do you think pepperonis are?
Circles.
Circles? And what color do you think they are?
Red.
Red, yeah. Pepperonis are red and they are circles. And what's your favorite drinks with a pizza?
Chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk?
No, I actually like apple juice.
Apple juice. Oh,
Only
yeah.
apple juice with pizza. Because chocolate milk it won't taste very well with pizza.
Okay, so next we're going to go ahead and draw our pepperonis. So we're going to go ahead and start drawing big circles. Okay, and we can draw a half circle.
Yeah, half a circle.
Yeah, and I'm going to draw another one here. And
Those
I'm going to draw...
some could be the eye.
Yeah, they actually look like two eyes here.
like
right?
triple of eye,
Yeah.
like
So-
a lot of eye.
Right. Why don't you go ahead and start drawing the pepperonis? We're going to draw circles and semicircles. Good job. Nice. I love your pepperoni shapes. And you're doing a good job staying inside the pizza. Great. Okay, so I am going to start coloring it in.
I did more than you.
You did, because you know why? Your pizza is much bigger than mine. It's much longer. I got a short pizza. So I'm going to just color them in. I also have less pepperoni than you. You have much more pepperoni than I do.
Yeah, that's because I love pizza.
Here you go. Now you can start coloring your pepperoni. Good job. You're staying in the circle too. And it's okay to go outside of the lines.
And it's perfectly fine if you're doing wigglies.
Yeah,
Wigglies for tracing.
that's right.
Yeah, because you're just practicing with drawing too.
Mm-hmm. Is pizza your favorite thing to eat in school
Yeah.
and at home?
Yeah.
What else is your favorite food?
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Yes.
I like chocolate too.
Yeah, it's my favorite. It's so yummy.
Do you
It's yummy to everything.
Do you think we can put chocolate on pizza?
No. It
No.
won't taste very good.
Oh yeah, that'll taste really funny. Good job. All right, now our pizza is done. What do you think we're gonna do with the black crayon?
Draw a face.
Oh yeah, so we can draw. I'll draw 2 eyes. Maybe I'll draw it. Maybe I could draw it here on the 2 pepperonis. And you're gonna see some shavings come off. You just gotta
Dust
brush it
it
away.
off.
Just dust it off. These are my 2 eyes, and I'm gonna draw a smiley face because it's a happy pizza.
What about its legs and arms?
Why don't you go ahead and draw the face first? Okay. Oh, it's really smiling. It's a happy, very happy pizza. Do you want to fill in the mouth with the black?
Wait, I need to draw its tongue.
Yeah.
It's laughing.
Okay. We might have to color your tongue red, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you can have the red
Wait.
to fill in the...
I
Go ahead.
need my arms. These are its fingers.
Nice. I was gonna do that too, but you're ahead of me. Good job.
These are its shoes.
Oh,
I'm gonna color its shoes in.
okay. And it has black shoes, huh? I might give my shoes maybe red shoes,
It's like Peppa.
like Peppa. Here, you can fill in the tongue.
I won.
Good job. Now let me draw my arms.
I
Here are
won.
my arms.
Yeah, but did you know I won?
You won?
Yeah.
I know, you were quicker than me. And here are my shoes, and I will color my shoes red. Yay! Let's see your pizza. Nice. Oh, wait. Would you like to see our pizzas dance?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, let's watch our pizzas dance now. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh.
Whoa!
Wow.
Look at that.
Yeah, look at them.
They're so silly.
How did they do that? That was a funny one.
All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed our video and had fun drawing pizza. See you in the next video.